Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLUU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk about areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $8. You can see several times today the bears try to press down through that $8 mark, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls have done a great job of holding up above it. So that will certainly be the priority or the ideal level, but by no means is it like a huge priority in the sense of if the price falls below it, that implies everything's ruined. I'm not saying that at all. That would just, be the ideal situation that would make the chart look the strongest. In the event $8 cannot hold, next level of support after that, down there at the $7.80 mark. So near-term levels, $8 and then $7.80. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way of judging the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above $8, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key battleground now going forward right up there around $8.40 a couple of times today. Price tried to get up through there and couldn't quite do it. So that'll be public enemy number 1 going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice movement today. And as long as the price continues to chip away and build these higher bases, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.